Hello guys, welcome to today's video. Today's video I'm going to look at we'll be talking about what comments are, what exactly are comment and how a comment is. Think of a comment as a way as something that I write a piece of text I write to help us remember what our work does or what our script does. Comment tend to be what to write down for us to remember what we are doing. When it comes to in case of reading in case of writing article or writing notes, for example, we'll write comment down for help us to remember what our section or the book does. So when it comes to a programming language, specific to Python or any other programming language, there's no much difference on it. So there's no more different from how we do it in our writing note or when we're reading. We tend to just jot something down to help us remember what particular section does. When it comes to Python programming language, like I said, there's no much difference. What comment in Python help us to do to tell the reader who is reading our script to know what this particular section of the script does, or this particular line of the code does. And in Python, there are mainly two ways that a comment can be represented, and the first one is a single line comment. The second one is a multi-line comment. A single line comment, to write a single line comment, use the pound sign or the hash sign. Then write what you want to write. I can say welcome to Ezee Kits. Ezee Kits, for example. This is a single line comment. Why do I say this is a single line comment? It can only be written in a single line. Let me say a single line comment. Like I said, there are mainly two types: single line comment and multi-line comment. What is multi-line comment and how does it work? Let's say, for instance, when we want to multi-line comment, and we mainly use in a situation where we want to explain more things. In a situation where we want to explain what the entire script does or the entire code does, that will make use of the multi-line comment. Multi-line comment can be presented with 3 quotes at the beginning and 3 quotes at the end, just like the one to that. You can say 3 quotes at the beginning, 3 quotes at the end right here. You can tend to give you space. Under here, you can write what you want to write. Let's say I want to write welcome to Ezee Kits. See, I can go to the next line and then write you are welcome. And see, I'm able to go to the next line. Write what I want to. So I can keep on writing anything I want to write. For example, also multi-like. Alright, since it's inside this triple quotes. So that's one issue now about comments. And don't worry about comment. Your machine or your system doesn't read comments. When it sees comment, it just tend to neglect it because it just a human reference, just to tell somebody who is reading script and to know what this particular section of the script does. So let's say, for example, when I try in this, you can see I got no. Let me clear my this. When I run this, you can see I got no output and I got no error. When it came here, you saw that okay, this is a comment. Okay, this guy is a comment. So let me write on top here. So you let's see, single line, multi-line comment. This is a multi-line comment. This is a single line comment. Like me mentioned, a single line comment can only be written in one line, and a multi-line comment with this triple quotes, you can write as many comments as you want. So we're still going to make use of this pretty much in our future videos. So if you're finding it out to understand, don't worry, as we go on in our future videos, you understand and appreciate it more. So here is a recap of what we talked about in this video. We talked about what is comment, and I use note ideology to explain that when you are writing your note, you tend to make comments to help you remember what this particular section of the text does in your notebook, or when you're writing an article for reference purpose. So and then in Python, when it comes to Python, we have mainly two type of way comments can be written. These two are the mainly type of way. There can be other type of way, but these two is more than enough. I'll mention the first one is single line comment, whereby you can only write comment in a single line. You can't write in multiple lines. We try to come down to continue. If you want to come down to continue, you have to put another hash sign. Yeah, I hope this hash sign. Yeah, pass sign. I forgot it. So you have to put another of this guy, and then you can come here and write. Let's say, yeah, welcome. You can see that for it to write on the next line, this sign has to be before your text. And then next one I talked about was multi-line comment, and they start with triple quotes in front and then triple quote at the back. So you can see when you write the first, since you are still inside the quote, the first text you write can come to the next line, continue like that. Once you are inside the quote, it doesn't matter. Python tends to ignore it because it knows that you are trying to write a text. So you are trying to write a comment, which is for human readability. So I think with this I've come to the end of this video. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe. You can also like and share. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.